What are you preparing?
Today I'm making stir fry. This can be taken with fries, sauté potatoes. There are other guys who like it with rice. Then you put some sauce on the side. So yeah. Simple meal. It doesn't take more than even 10 minutes to make. As long as, because chicken, we use the breast part. So it takes such a short time. Then you don't have to wait for your ho-hos to, they need to be still crunchy. So yeah, so it's a very quick meal.
So guys, today is Thursday and we are in Diddy's kitchen and we are ready to, as you can see, we are ready to serve the pandemic. In my hand I have the orders for the day. As I can have chips masala pork, white fry, salty potatoes and salty potatoes fried chicken. And I understand it's customer week, so I want Dee to tell us what customer week is all about.
And then also on the menu, forgotten ugali. We do ugali, mboga kienyeji with chicken.
Yes.
Also those guys who want ugali with pork.
Yeah.
We chose customer week this week because for us around this time last year is when we started. So for us it's been a year. So to celebrate our consistent and faithful customers, we decided we can gift them with merchandise from Diddy's Kitchen. Either the hoodies or t-shirts.
Wow. That is beautiful. Loyal customers, there is something for you today?
Yes, today.
Wow. So Dee, how is your daily routine?
Daily routine, usually on normal days, at least now I get to rest more, but on normal days I'd wake up at 5:30, prepare the kids to go to school. Then I go to the kitchen.
Yes.
At least by 7:30 we should have started cooking. But this is facilitated by the fact that the previous day, after delivering, we come back with the girls and prepare for the next day. If it's potatoes, we have peeled the potatoes. If it's onions, all those things we've peeled. So at least by 7:30 we should have started cooking, because we at least try, since I'm cooking from home, and we want guys to have their lunch before 1:30, latest 1:30.
Yes.
We at least try to leave the house by 11:30, so that we beat traffic and be in town or wherever the deliveries are going by that time. So yeah, so at least I try. 7:30 we've already started cooking, we do everything, but this is facilitated with preparation from the previous day.
Wow.
Yeah.
So ideally each day has its particular menu.
Yeah, each day, because as humans, even yourself, you get bored with the same food every day.
Yes.
So at least I try and play around with the menu. So there are days for chapatis, there's days for ugali with matumbo and omena and beef, there's days for chips and pork and chicken, there's days for matoke. So it's variety. African foods, we really focus on African foods. Just a few days is when we do the chips and the likes, yeah. But mainly African. Mboga kienyeji, we do ugali, rice, we play around with the rice, not just plain rice every day. So at least give people variety.
You're celebrating 1 year, right? And
Yes.
that's why we have the customer
Week, yes.
today, where we are celebrating the loyal customers. You started this in the pandemic, right?
Yes, just around the pandemic. Actually, when it hit, because yeah, just go. I'm coming to give you. So I am a graduate. I've done communication, done my master's, but getting a job in Kenya has become really, really hard.
Crazy.
So I figured, why don't I do something that I love and I still get the opportunity to take care of my boys? Because if I do it at home, I can still see my boys every single day, anytime they need me. So since I love cooking, I decided one day, why not take for my husband food in the office. So the moment I took for him, he shared with his colleagues and they liked it and they ordered the next day. And from then on, I was like, yeah, why not make it into a business?
You must be a very great cook.
I try. Learn from the best. I was taught by my mom. So this is just homeschooling by mom, what we've been taught growing up. Yeah, at least I try to give the authentic home food without putting too much into it. So as you eat it, you still feel like you're eating homemade food.
You make it with love.
Yes, with all the love that I have. And the Luya in me will love eating.
Hallelujah.
So definitely.
Roxy's fine. She already learned to go on your phone.
Roxy out.
Yeah.
So Dee, you are a mother and now you are into this business that is so demanding. how do you jog around parenting and business?
I think for me, I am grateful because I have a great support system from my husband to my mom, and I have a great team. So whether I am physically there or not, at least I am guaranteed that food will be delivered on time. It will still be the same DDs. So I'm grateful because of the team I have. They have learned so fast and they're able to do it without me necessarily be there.
Yeah.
But I still have to juggle because even as the child wants something, you have to multitask.
Yeah.
Find a way of sorting them out and still ensuring that your clients are satisfied.
Yes. Great support system.
Great support system. For me, that one I am extremely grateful because the days I'm not able to, my husband will step in, my mom will step in. So yeah, my brother will step in to also do deliveries for me.
Wow.
So for me, it's just family all round and the team that I have. Team that has become also family for me.
A powerful mastermind alliance of family and
yes.
your team.
My team, who I consider as family too.
Family.
Yes.
That's beautiful. Brilliant. So, you started this in the pandemic. And of course, there are challenges that you have encountered.
Definitely.
Yes.
You see, there are clients who feel this is not restaurant, so you'd find you have to follow clients to pay. It's been a week, it's been 2 weeks, they've not paid, so you have to keep following them up. Then also, the pandemic has been urafiki sana, and then also the pandemic, because the guys who would order, now they have to work from home. So again, that affects. As much as we still do home deliveries, if someone is at home, they definitely prefer cooking for themselves. So that has also affected. But all in all, I thank God, because through the pandemic, I was able to start the business and it has thrived, especially when restaurants were closed down. I was able to grow it and put myself out there, put a name out there, at least you know DDs exist.
Wow, a successful pandemic story. And you're serving the pandemic from your target.
Yes.
Serving the pandemic.
Yes.
That's beautiful.
What do you want?
Daddy?
Papa, enda huko. Go to Baba. Baba is calling you. What do you want? I'm coming to give you. Sawa. Go to the room, I'm coming. Tuanze kwanza na sote watatu.
Usiweke yote at once.
Ya KCS. Wacha tumalizane na watu wengine alafu tumalizane na KCS, ndio?
So I can see the food is ready.
Yes.
This is how we are right now.
Right now we are at the packaging stage. So we confirm the orders with guys.
Yes.
Then we at least try to make it personalized. We put for you your food in your own bag with your name written on it.
Wow.
Sorry, and where it's being delivered to.
Yes.
Sorry.
The name.
So with that.
Thank you. Like for this one is going to?
This one will be going to town, CBD. So yes, so we put your name and what you've ordered.
Yeah.
Then at least if I'll be doing the deliveries or someone else, at least they know where exactly it's going.
Yes.
Even if you don't finish your food, at least you're still able to carry your food and go home with it. Yes. So depending on the number of clients we have in the day, we at least try and take 15 to 20 minutes while packing food, so that we don't waste so much time, because you know with Nairobi traffic you'd never know. So depending on how crazy the clients are distributed, so at least we try. We have a rider on standby, so if they're like all over the place, then at least we know where the car will go, where the Buddha will go, my rider will go. Yes.
That's a beautiful thing. And now I'm at that point where we want to inspire people. You mentioned that you are a graduate and you have a master's, and I know of so many graduates out there who are sitting waiting for their job to find them.
I think for me, if you have the opportunity, grab it. You don't have to sit and wait for a job.
Yes.
If you have the skill set, if you have the ability, go ahead, start something. Even if it's selling that mandazi on the road, one day, one time, it will go to something different. So don't always sit, and especially for women, we have the tendency of just sitting and waiting for our spouses, our parents to provide for us. For me, I've always been told, even if you have 100 shillings, it's yours. You've worked hard for it. So go for it. I think I'd empower girls mainly, even the youth, when you finish school, don't just sit down and wait for something to come up. Be creative, do something. If you have the talent, if you have the passion, go for it. Yeah. Don't think about the capital, don't think about the barriers that are ahead. You will deal with them when you get there. But for that time you want to start, do it.
How much do you approximately in a day?
On a good day, it's not consistent because not every day we have the same clients. We have saute. We have a corporate whereby we serve at least 22 to 30 people every single day. And then now we have the individual guys who will come in. Sometimes on a good day, we'll have at least over 70, 80 clients. On a really bad day, we'll have 25 to 30 people. So give or take, at least make in a day around 7 to 10,000 in a day.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. In profits?
In profits, 5 in a day. I wouldn't complain. It's not bad.
That's like
5, yeah, it's not bad. At least I'm able to feed the family. I'm able to do something for myself. I'm able to support other people. So I wouldn't complain. Junction mall ngapi? Junction. Hadi junction, Kingaru Road Junction.
Unaenda Kingaru? Unaenda kama
nataka unipeleke kitu.
nikupeleka?
Si mimi unapeleka mzigo, chakula.
Kwa hivyo unaenda upande ya Kingero.
Mimi siendi, wewe ndio unapeleka.
Kingero.
Kingaru Road Junction.
Kingaro. Ni mzigo kubwa.
Ndio. What I do?
What's happening?
So today, unfortunately, my rider has failed me. So I have to get either Bolt or Uber, pelekea client chakula. So those are some of the challenges we faced. Riders will fail you, or will not be available, or you get traffic on the road, or you deal with difficult clients, or even Kingaru Road. Or sometimes even get clients who don't want to get food from riders, they want you to specifically deliver for them the food. So those are some of the challenges we face. Kingara Road, yes. Ow! Is this traffic? Hi, how are you?
Good.
So your lunch order?
Yes.
And this is a Didi's jumper, just to say thank you for being a loyal client.
So much, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much as always.
You're welcome.
Great food as always.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Have a good one.
Okay.
That has been our day with Didi's Kitchen. This week we took a move to look into how restaurants are coping with the COVID-19 containment measures. As we all know, the hospitality industry has really been affected, and seeing Didi's Kitchen and Coffee Plus do what they are doing is an encouragement to those who are feeling like their restaurant being closed is the end of business for them. This is a confirmation that you can still do something while you are working from home. So thank you so much for watching. This is Ablatza Imbokwa for Success Africa.